Hello students, in previous tutorial we create this web page, and if we see here the alignment to the left is right, but if I want to give alignment from right side as well, so I need some change in my file, like text align, and the values we know, left, right, center, justify. So I am giving here justify. So my page looks like this from left side, from right side. My paragraph is aligned. So this is the tutorial regarding paragraphs. Now we will move towards the images. So I am taking new page and adding some basic structure. So I am creating here image demo.html page and adding basic structure of any web page like this. Then I want to add one image into the page, so I am giving here image tag. Now my page looks like this. There is no any content in my web page. For giving the image name, here I need to save some image files into my folder where this file is stored. So I'm storing here some images like this: download 4, download 11, download 12 in my same folder where my file is there. My file is image demo in my tutorials, and in the same folder I'm uploading some images here. So I need to give the name of image from this. Download 4, for example, I'm giving here download 4 dot jpg, and if I run this page, then my page is not displaying. See the extension here, GFIF, you can see at the front also, or if there is no at front, then you can go to properties. So the extension is .jfif. So I need to give the extension as it is jfif. If I run, then the image will be displayed here. By default the image size is this, but if you want to customize width and height, then you can give here 250 width, 50 pixels, and height is 200 pixels. Your image set in this width and height. Then if I want to give some styles to image, like border, border 4 pixels, offset blue, choose the color you like. Then if I want a circular image, Then I need to give border radius. You may give in percent as well. If exact circular you want, then give 50%. Then my image looks like this. If I want some shadow effect to it, then box shadow, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, 20 pixel, view. Then this shadow effect is there. So this is the image. If I am not giving this border, then your image with the shadow effect will look like this. If I am not giving this border as well, then your image looks like this. So style as you want. If I add some more images, then see how it looks. The images are displayed like this. If I want some distance between the images and I want some different images, then we can change the images. Download 11 is there, 12 is there, and 13 is there, only download is there. So I change the names like this. 13, only download is also there. And see the effect. Download JPG is there. All are JPG images, so I need to change the extension as JPG for these images. Then see the effect. Still download 14 is not displayed. Download 14 is not there actually. Download 11 is there. So give the name, exact name, or you may copy paste it. So let's jump to the arrow. So this is the output of our page. If I want to need some spaces between two images, then I need to give padding. This will look like this. Actually, padding means the distance between or spacing between the border and content, but I don't want this. If you like this, then give the padding, but I want the space between two images. This is inside the image space. Padding means inside the cell, but I want some space between two images, so I need to give margin 20 pixels. And see how it looks. So this space is the margin effect, and this space inside the image is the padding effect. In this way you can add some more images. I am just copy pasting here for time saving purpose. You may give some different images. If there is a space, then the image will display in same line. If there is no space, then the image will be displayed on the next line. So this looks like a gallery page. So by using images you can create some gallery page as well. I am giving one assignment for creating a gallery page. So by using this tutorial you can do gallery pages like this. So see you in the next video. Thank you.